Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am telling you about a spine-trickling story of a mysterious island. The island of Zorvath was shrouded in mystery, its dense jungles and misty shores, whispering tales of the unknown. Dr. Elliot Thompson, a renowned zoologist, had always been drawn to the island's eerie allure. He assembled a team to explore the island's uncharted territories, seeking new species to add to the scientific record. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, the team encountered strange tracks and eerie calls. Elliot's excitement grew, convinced they were on the cusp of a groundbreaking discovery. One fateful night, while collecting samples, Elliot wandered away from the campsite, fascinated by a peculiar glow emanating from the underbrush. The light vanished, plunging him into darkness. Suddenly, he stumbled upon a clearing, and his heart froze. In the center of the clearing stood a creature, unlike any he had ever seen. Its body was a twisted mass of limbs, eyes glowing like lanterns in the dark. Elliot tried to flee, but his feet felt rooted. The creature began to change, its form shifting like a living shadow. More creatures emerged from the darkness, their eyes fixed on Elliot. He realized he had stumbled into a realm where unknown animals ruled, and humans were not welcome. As the creatures closed in, Elliot's screams were drowned out by the cacophony of the jungle. His team found him the next morning, catatonic and alone. The only clue to the horror he faced, a single, glowing eye staring back from the underbrush. From that day on, the island of Zorvath was left to its secrets, and Elliot's mind was forever scarred by the encounter with the unknown.